Ghana now has a new leader, John Dramani Mahama. His presidential inauguration was a historic moment, but Ibrahim Traore, the leader of Burkina Faso, stole the show from everybody.
This is Janetta, and I'm telling you. Let me tell you something. And just kind of an example. I mean, you can. This young man from Burkina Faso. Now, he was born March 14, 1988, in the province, Mohun province, in Burkina Faso. Ibrahim Traore. I'm not an African, so in the language, and I want you to forgive me if I say his name wrong, but I think that is right. But he is fantastic. You know, there was a prophecy given that Moses was going to come and deliver his people. And there was a prophecy given that Jesus, who you call Jesus, Yeshua HaMashiach, was going to come and he was going to deliver his people. Well, we have another prophecy being fulfilled, because when the Savior died, Yeshua HaMashiach died, he said, even greater things will you do because I go to the Father. And I'm telling you, this young man is bringing sight to the blind. He's setting the captives free. The lame are walking, the deaf are talking, and he's raising the dead. Not physically, but spiritually and mentally. And how is this working? We were dead in understanding and knowing how we were going to rise again as a people. And this young man is bringing us that hope. He's bringing us that hope. He's letting us know you are now free. Start walking in it. Arise. Arise. And he's saying, open your eyes. You can now see and understand what has happened to you and who has done it and why and how you're going to get out of it. He's making the lame walk. The lame are now standing up walking. They're no longer crawling and struggling to get to their feet. They're now standing up on their feet and they feel energized that nothing can overtake them. Nothing can destroy them anymore. And the blind are seeing. They're seeing the situation that we have been in like never before and knowing that we have been set free. Yes, he's showing the captives the way out of the jailhouse. This young man is phenomenal. You need to get to know Ibrahim Traore. He is magnificent. What he is doing, he's not a Moses, nor is he a Yeshua, nor is he a Jesus, but he is what we have now. He is bringing us out of the deadness of colonization. He's bringing life to us in the neo-colonialism. He's bringing life to us out of apartheid. He's bringing life to us out of slavery. We have our modern day Savior, and he's able to touch millions and millions of people. And it's not only for us here in Africa, but his word is going out all over the world, wherever we are as a people. And when I mean as a people, I mean African people all over the world. We're in the mountains of the Philippines. We're in the mountains of Vietnam. We're in Central America. We're in North America. We are all over. He's setting the captives free. It's not a physical freeness, but it's a spiritual freeness.
Alive. Today, as we embark on this exciting journey, we want to reflect on a powerful moment that captivated the hearts of millions, an event that embodied the strength, unity, and potential of our continent. The Black Star Square in Accra, Ghana, has long been a symbol of liberation and African pride. On a jubilant day that brought together around 20 African leaders to witness the swearing-in of Ghana's President John Mahama, history was made. Among the array of distinguished figures, one moment stood out, a moment that electrified the crowd and reverberated across the continent. It was when the name of Burkina Faso's dynamic military leader, Captain Ibrahim Traore, was called.
Hey, you're gonna have to listen to this crowd. As you're listening to this crowd, as they're calling out on him, Abraham, Abraham. Yes, he's a miracle worker, our modern day miracle worker. Hey, oh, I'm so excited. All right. Ooh, this is Janetta. If you don't believe it, hey, write me, comment, share, and let me know you like it. All right. Ciao. Hello. See you later. Ooh. Hey, this is Janetta, and you're watching Africa Speak. Ooh.